the questions that we get on our petunia trees is, how do you make it? So that's what we want to show you today, is the actual mechanics and what it looks like underneath. So this petunia tree, believe it or not, is only 16 individual plants. So those are Vista Super Petunias from Proven Winners, and there's only one in each pot. So on this petunia tree, there are 16 individual pots. It's a 10-inch standard pot, which means that it's 10 inches across, and the standard denotes that it is a deep pot because you want that extra volume of soil. So the pots go right into the rings. There are 7 rings at the bottom base. The middle has 5 rungs, and the top has 3, and then there's 1 individual pot at the top, giving you 16 total pots. That gives you 7.5 feet of absolute splendid color. So I know your question is, where can I get a petunia tree for my yard? And the answer is, you need to talk to one of your local fabricators, one of your local metal job shops, because that's what we did. And so we went to them with a design and told them basically what we wanted. We wanted 16 pots with 3 different rungs, and they came up with a design, and it's a fantastic design. It's so quick to assemble and disassemble. It takes me maybe 5 minutes. So each one of these rungs goes in and out and locks into this base plate. So there's a base plate at each level, and again, we have 7, 5, 3, and 1, and each one will hold a 10-inch standard pot. So each ring gets a pot, and that fills up just like this big petunia tree. When that fills out, it looks fantastic. So I hope that it helps with taking the mystery of what is underneath that petunia tree, and you can see the structure and go to your local job shop and have them make up a petunia tree for yourself. If you're liking our videos, please be sure to give us a thumbs up, follow us on Facebook, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have hundreds of how-to videos there. And then hop on over to our beatyourneighbor.com website. We have our tips and tricks and blog articles and our Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer. That's all over at beatyourneighbor.com. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.